Hi. I'm here to talk to you about basic nature of a mother as per zodiac signs. What kind of mother are you? Basic nature of a mother as per zodiac signs. A basic traits of a mother as per 12 zodiac signs in the interpretation of astrology. Aries woman as mother. If your zodiac sign is Aries, then you are a firm and strong-minded mother. You are a mother who wants that her child always gets the freedom, which they deserves. You never tolerate other person's influence on your child. But many times you ignore your children's wish and put them in the race of others. Taurus woman as mother. Taurus mothers has been found to be stable in the nature in any situation of life. Therefore, they like to take control of everything related to their child and everything related to it. Gemini woman as mother. Cool and chill moms, they are adaptive and adventurous. They stay up to date and fully aware of latest technology and keep informing about it to their child. Gemini mother knows how to keep her child happy. Cancer woman as mother. Mother of Cancer zodiac signs pamper their children beyond limit. These mothers are different and in changing mood which result their children more demanding. Leo woman as mother. A dream mom of every child, rich in energy and always fresh. These mothers spend maximum time with their children. They serve good food, play with them, share things and move around as per children wish. But sometimes child is physically weak or dull due to over-pampering. Virgo woman as mother. The mother of Virgo is a systematic in nature, who wants her child to live a perfect life like her. From the way they themselves take care of everything. From taking the right nutritious diet to what kind of well manners should be, which becomes a big challenge for them. Libra woman as mother. The woman of Libra zodiac is called good, sophisticated mothers. These mothers never put any pressure on their children. Problems occurs when their children are naughty. They can't take any tough decisions due to less angry and naturally controlled attitude. Scorpio woman as mother. The most stringent and strict mother. They want every moment that their child will be studying in the field of education. Children are not playing much, talking with the best but everything which is a problem for children. Sagittarius woman as mother. Sagittarius mothers are also very adventurous and they want to fill this tightly tuned attitude in their children too. This kind of mother tilted her children towards the sports field, and gives them every support to do fun. But due to lack of patience their children become victim to their unwanted anger. Capricorn woman as mother. Capricorn women are called rocking moms, that is, a mother who is perfect for her children. From studies to sports and to know everything that is good for their child's growth. Aquarius woman as mother. Women of Aquarius tries to become friends, not a mother for their children. They give full independence to their children with complete openness in their thoughts. Pisces woman as mother. Wonder Woman and an excellent mother apart from a good wife. Pisces sun sign mother keeping children happy on every need. Many times their sensitive behavior creates problems. Hope you found it useful. For more information, please click the link in description.